Hi guys, welcome back to Gloria's Platter. Today we are making this delicious spicy chili liver. This is a very easy but delicious recipe. Our family love to eat spicy chili liver. First, let's cut one onion. Then cut half of green and red bell peppers into small strips. Remember to de-seed them. Cut one tomato now. Here is the liver. I am cutting the liver into long strips. Now let's look at all the ingredients. 2 pounds of beef liver, green and bell pepper, half of each, 1 onion, 1 tomato, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon salt, 2 tablespoons chili flakes, 2 tablespoons oil, 1 tablespoon garlic and ginger paste. Heat the oil in a wok and spread the oil to coat all over the wok. First, fry the liver. Let it cook for a couple of minutes to brown and then turn over. Let's add the garlic ginger paste and saute the onions next. Now add the peppers, red chili flakes, salt and black pepper. Keep stirring and saute on medium to high heat. Add tomatoes, soy sauce, and tomato paste. You see guys, you're pretty much done now. Here is your spicy chili liver ready to be eaten. If you have missed, please watch the bison pasta recipe. Give the video a like and write a comment under and let me know how spicy you like your meat to be. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.